Hello there. Welcome to a new video. Here I'm going to show you how to report a spam review on your Google business profile. There could be a number of your competitors or bad practicing people who leave negative review on your Google business. So whenever you get it, you have option to report as a spam. So you just need to copy the URL of your review and then paste the URL, and then this page will come up with the review detail. So now from this three dot you just need to click on this and then click on report review. From there all you need to do, you just need to click on spam, okay, and then click on submit. This review has been reported to Google. Thanks for helping make reviews better. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.